बॉलीवुड में आपको क्या लगता है कौन कौन किसकी किसकी जवानी सेकेंड हैंड हो चुकी है?
सेकेंड हैंड जवानी बाद में बताती हूँ।
ये लिरिक्स आपको किसी और को देनी है तो आप किसको दोगे बॉलीवुड में से?
ये सभी तो जवान हैं। सेकेंड हैंड जवानी बाद में बताती हूँ। I remember being so disciplined that on the day I finished the bikini shoot and I knew that I could start eating normally, he took me out for dinner and I had this big chocolate dessert. My favorite song, Tumi Ho Bandhu, which is still a little more popular than Daru Desi, I think. No? Yeah.
कल के आपके जो इंटरव्यू था उसमें आपने कहा कि सिद्धार्थ इज अ पास्ट एंड रणवीर इज अ फ्रेंड नाउ आफ्टर यू ब्रेक अप, उसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहोगे?
You know, I think my interviews always become too much about everything else. So today, let's just talk about Cocktail. In every other sense, my upbringing and everything else has been completely different. I've come from a very simple, protected home in Bangalore. You know, and my parents or even my family around me, marriage and relationships have always been very solid. So I've had that kind of love when, you know, while growing up. Having said that, I think emotionally I'm very similar because I'm someone who I'm, I think I put on this tough exterior, but I'm actually, and people like Dinu who know me really well will know that I'm actually a very, very sensitive person.
Yourself or somewhere, what is your look?
I wish I could take credit for it. No, Anaita, completely Anaita. It's entirely her vision, and I must say that a lot of my personality and a lot of not my personality, a lot of Veronica, and for me playing Veronica became a lot more easier because of the way she styled me. So while a script and the character and the way the character has been written by a writer for a film is very important, it's these external things also that add to a character's performance, to an actor's performance, and I think she's really helped me, you know, with that.
दीपिका, इस मूवी में आपने सैफ की जवानी को सेकंड हैंड इतना बना दिया है कि वो गाना काफी हिट हो चुका है। बॉलीवुड में आपको क्या लगता है कौन कौन किसकी किसकी जवानी सेकंड हैंड हो चुकी है?
फिलहाल मैं सिर्फ सैफ का नाम ही लूंगी. Yeah,
आफ्टर सैफ आप
you know, because in spite of him being having worked so much, he's still someone who fits these young love stories and romantic characters. I think that's why Dinu dedicated this song to and created this song himself. No? I don't.
बट अगर ये लिरिक्स आपको किसी और को देनी है तो आप किसको दोगे बॉलीवुड में से?
ये सभी तो जवान हैं. सेकेंड हैंड जवानी बाद में बताती हूँ.
Talking about the bikini, how much hard work you have to do for your body to show up your body in the bikini?
Yeah, like Dinu was saying, I wish it was so easy and I wish it was all just natural. And I think the Indian body type is somehow not suited for a bikini. So I think we as Indians have to work a little extra hard on our body if you want to carry it off. But
Still,
seriously, I mean, I changed my workout slightly. Basically, I just had to sacrifice going out for dinners with Dinu. Every time he decided to take the entire cast out, I would just sit in my hotel alone and and eat steamed fish and not have any dessert. You were there. You've seen that. I remember not. I remember being so disciplined that on the day I finished the bikini shoot and I knew that I could start eating normally, he took me out for dinner and I had this big chocolate dessert. The food and the dessert. I think the restaurant had run out of food. Okay, so I'm going to share a little piece of information with you all. Daru Desi is the first song that we started shooting. And in a love story, I've always believed that the music of a film is very important. And this is the first song I'd heard. And I looked at Dino and I had a serious chat with him and I said, Dino, I don't like this song. It's a shit song. It's really bad. And if this is the way the music is going to be of this film, even our film's not going to do well. And so we had a bet. Um, yeah. So we had a bet and I said, and I was so confident about my thing and all. I said, chalo, 10 lakhs. And I've officially lost that bet. And so I owe Dinu 10 lakhs because I think that song is, it's done how many hits now? Like, crazy, like it's ridiculous. I mean, I'm ashamed that I even had this argument with him. Basically, I rest my case and I shouldn't argue when it comes to music with Dinu at least. But coming to your point, my favorite song, Tumi Ho Bandhu, which is still a little more popular than Daru Desi, I think. No? Yeah.
Deepika, Veronica found her true friends in Meera and Seth's character. If I ask you, who would you call your true friends in Bollywood?
We, Shahana is a very close friend of mine. But I think that Dinu is someone who started off as purely as a professional working relationship when he offered me Love Ajkal 3 years ago. But today he's someone I completely trust with anything. I know that he's someone who, if I call him in the middle of the night, if I need anything ever in life, not just work-wise, but ever in life, I know he's one person who'll always be there for me. And I'm not saying this because he's here. I've always said this, but today there's a face to the name.
You would like to ask why is Diana not in the promotion right now? Are we like waiting? Yeah, she was supposed to come today also. She said we're waiting for her. Oh, yeah.
Character at a time. So Veronica, then Gautam, then Meera. And you'll see all of them together.
Any specific reason? I remember I was in Mauritius 2 years ago when Dinu sent the script to me. And somewhere our sensibilities when it comes to love stories, I think we feel similarly for love stories, and I think nobody understands it better than the way he and I do. And so he offered it to me and I read the script. And I remember it took me a lot of time I took a while to get back to him. And he was getting he was like, listen, if you don't like it, babe, just tell me you don't like it. We have that relationship where I can tell him I don't like it. But my confusion was not about whether I wanted to do the film or not. One, it took me really long to I was so happy with the script itself, but I was also very confused about which one I wanted to play. But I feel I had reached a point in my life then when I felt that I was ready to play Veronica, because I think I needed a certain inner confidence to be able to pull it off, because it's the kind of character that it can go wrong and it can start looking caricaturish, or it shouldn't look like I'm acting to be her. You know, it should just look like a part of my personality or part of who I am. So that took me a while. And then of course there was Imtiaz, who kind of also felt that I was ready to play Veronica. Yes, but very few. I think emotionally I connect more with Veronica. Because in every other sense, my upbringing and everything else has been completely different. I've come from a very simple, protected home in Bangalore. And my parents or even my family around me, marriage and relationships have always been very solid. So I've had that kind of love while growing up. Having said that, I think emotionally I'm very similar, because I'm someone who I think I put on this tough exterior, but I'm actually, and people like Dinu who know me really well will know that I'm actually a very, very sensitive person.
Apart, आप काफी strong हो, honest हो, whether it's a film or whether it's a friendship or relationship. कल के आपके जो interview था उसमें आपने कहा कि सिद्धार्थ is a past and Ranveer is a friend now after you break up. उसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहोगे?
You know, I think my interviews always become too much about everything else. So today let's just talk about Cocktail.
Yeah, last one question, please.
You've always been the voice of sports awareness when it comes to Bollywood. So we want to know what do you have to say about these two sports personalities who couldn't make it to the Olympics qualification round because they couldn't afford $30,000.
It's actually very sad. Um, because I believe that we have as much because of lack of infrastructure. And this is something that I think we should all, and including the government, needs to really take up seriously, because I've always believed that the wealth of a nation is also in the laurels that the sportsmen bring to a country. When you take part in a Commonwealth Games, when you take part in the Olympics, these are really important sporting events in history. It's sad that this is happening, and if I could help in any way, I would love to.
Thank you so much. That was the last question. May we just we'll just proceed for the unveiling. Requesting the staff to please come forward.
Still.
Yeah, I think we're less than 2 weeks, right? Yeah, less than 2 weeks away. So I think first of all, congratulations to everyone who's qualified. All the best. You have all our love and support. Just focus on what you're doing.
Will you be there at the because we are in a mall right now. We're in a mall right now. People love shopping, but with 12.5% service tax on celebrities, will that bring down your shopping?
I'll have to ask my dad. He handles my finances, so I'm gonna have to ask him.
Thank you so much, everyone.